So here we are going to demonstrate about solar water purifier. So in this we can identify monocrystal solar panel. So this is going to generate the voltage. So generated voltage will be stored into an lead acid battery by using a charging circuit. So this charging circuit consists of an DB107 bridge rectifier, 1000 microfarads capacitor, reverse current protection diode, and this is the terminal for the charging input. So here you can connect the battery terminal so that it will indicate the intensity of the motor. Okay, and after that here you can identify the batteries are connected in series. So this series battery will be able to give an input power supply to the pump by using an crocodile pins. One terminal is already connected, other terminal we need to connect. So after connecting this terminal, so the pump is going to start to receive the water from the terminal. So here we have used a bucket, tap water, and this then waste water. So coming to this, here the RO is going to receive the water from the container and transmit to the RO filter. So this RO filter is going to receive the water and pump out the waste water through the waste connecting pipe, which again flows into the container, and purified water will be going to UFO. So from the UF filter it is going to again give input to the post carbon filter sediment. So from this post carbon sediment we will be receiving the pure water. So here you can see the droplets coming out from the post carbon sediment. So this is stored into the container, so through which we can able to drink the water. This is how the entire system is going to work.